experts in specialist truss rafter designs and outstanding manufacturing. This is Truss Form, and this is our purpose-built factory in Rossendale, Lancashire. Truss Form's design offices use state-of-the-art MyTech Premier design software to provide cost-effective, computerized in-house designs for a multitude of roof shapes. Our teams are helpful, informative and experts in their field, so from conception to design plans to manufacture and supply, we've got you covered. Our specially designed engineered roof trusses represent the most cost-effective and flexible design option available. So no matter what you have in mind, our state-of-the-art machinery and up-to-the-minute training can effortlessly create exactly what you need. Our teams are meticulous and take great pride in ensuring perfection in every detail. We're also experts in metal web joists, and our integrated software ensures accurate design and manufacture of all joists. We're proud to be a founding member of the Truss Rafter Association, as well as boasting a huge catalogue of other certificates, approvals and accreditations. For over 30 years, we've been helping homeowners and builders create their ideal properties. Why not give us a call and see how we can help you? Think truss rafters, think joists, think Truss Form.